Episode 2 of the Birdman. His pride and joy are these birds.
You gotta stay back and videotape so you can see all of it.
This is their natural habitat and their state of living. This is the bird tamer, Baird. As you can see, he's a very friendly man and he makes lots of friends with animals and wildlife. He has improvements he can make. Maybe his, I don't know, like, maybe it's just the way he looks or something. Like,
Just see him! Just see him!
Your friendly skills with the animal life.
Amazing!
Your animal life skills need to, I don't know, maybe it's Afghanistan or something, like, you know.
Afghanistan gone wild.
Yeah. Seems like you're so friendly with all the birds back home. I mean, their guts splattered on the trees and everything.
Dying out.